Mountain Island Educational State Forest is one of our 6 educational state forests in the state. We have a focus on water quality here. Mountain Island ESF is located in the northeast corner of Gaston County. We extend into the southeast corner of Lincoln County. We're right across the Catawba River from Charlotte. Mountain Island ESF is significant because of its protection of water quality resources for 1 in 12 North Carolinians who get their drinking water from the lake. I'm really excited about the forest opening to the public so we can bring more people into the forest and start teaching them in space.
There's a multitude of ways to enjoy the forest. You can come on your own and just take in the sights and the scenery by yourself, or you can come as a family or as a group and then enjoy your time together here in the forest. The forest here is open to everyone, of course, for everybody to come and enjoy the trails and the forest here. But I'd say like the ranger-led programs, that's going to be geared mostly towards school groups, K through 12, to learn more about forestry and the forest ecosystem.
We provide several programs to schools and educational groups. Those include environmental education programs, which may be our soil and water investigations. It could be our habitat investigations. It also includes tree identification and predator and prey investigations.
My favorite aspect about the forest is actually our educational displays inside our exhibit center, covering a lot of different topics within forestry. It also has bathrooms and a large classroom that can be reserved out.
My favorite aspect of Mountain Island ESF is the trails. I try to make sure I get out on them at least once a day, if not more if I can manage.
We have 4 trails here at Mountain Island ESF. We have our Talking Tree Trail, which has our Talking Tree speakers on it, where you can hear the trees talk about their life and experience. We have our Harvest Hill Trail that goes through a previously harvested pine stand, so you can kind of see what that looks like. We have our Demonstration Trail, which shows off our forest firefighting equipment and connects to our picnic shelter. And then we have our Loblolly Loop Trail, which goes through a few different prescribed burning units and a transitional forest. So as a working forest, we do things like timber harvests and prescribed burning. And what that means for visitors is you may get to see those forestry practices in action when you visit. You might get to see the aftermath of one or have it be happening while you're here.
It is for foot traffic only, so that's no horses, no mountain bikes or motorized equipment of any kind. There's no camping here either. It's day use only. We do offer a couple of different hunting opportunities here at the forest. Those are on the north end of our property. They're geared towards youth hunts and women's only hunts, and those are in cooperation with Wildlife Resources Commission and a local wild turkey federation.
What I most hope people gain from visiting Mountain Island Educational State Forest is just a more holistic view of forestry. We do a lot of it here, and we're wanting to share that knowledge and information with the public.
I hope that visitors gain the experience of being in the forest at Mountain Island ESF and gain that additional knowledge of how modern forestry practice intersects with the different areas of forestry.
There are no fees associated with entering the Educational State Forest or with any of the programs that you can reserve for your groups here. If you're looking to visit Mountain Island ESF, you can Google us and your phone will take you right here to 200 Gobbler Way in Stanley, North Carolina. You can also visit the North Carolina Forest website. You'll find our contact info there.